What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a real quick video. I actually got something for my heat press that I should have invested in a while ago. I always use these Teflon sheets when I'm printing to actually press and transfers onto my shirts, hoodies, whatever. Most of the time I always throw a Teflon sheet down so I don't get nothing up on the platen here, the top platen, or to hold my transfer in place. There's a lot of good uses for these things, and I always use just the plain ones that I would just buy that came in rolls and then cut them up. So I actually bought, I'll leave the link, I bought it off of Temu. It was very cheap. I bought a Teflon cover for the top, so then that way I don't have to keep throwing the Teflon sheet over on it. So I'm going to put this onto the heat press. And like I said, I should have bought this a long time ago, but this is for 15 by 15. It has the elastic on it to put it around. So I'm gonna move the camera over here so you can see me put this on there. But this is off of Temu, very inexpensive. I'm sure you can get them off of Amazon and tons of other places like Heat Press Nation, places you get heat presses. They sell these things. I don't know why I didn't get one until now, but I'm gonna put this on my heat press so that way I don't have to worry about getting nothing stuck to the top platen here. All right, guys, so pretty basic here. I'm gonna fit these corners over it. I'm gonna put it on the back first, that way I could deal with doing the front. Pull that up over there. Just make sure everything's pulled on good. That's it. Nothing crazy. And like now I said, when I put a shirt on here now, I don't have to, I always did it the way of when I used the Teflon sheet, I'd have to throw my Teflon sheet on, push in. I don't know why I didn't get one of these, but now I already have it on there. And that's a very inexpensive thing to put on your heat press. That way you save your top platen. It doesn't get messy, doesn't get plastisol on it or HTV or anything like that. DTF I use the transfer sheet for, the Teflon sheet. So that's just an easy upgrade you could do, very cheap. I will leave the links to this stuff. So I'm gonna probably get one for my other press and then see if I could find one for the hat press too. Alright guys, that was just a real quick video. Like I said, any tips and stuff that I could give out to you guys that are new starting off with this, obviously all the old heads doing this, they know this stuff. Like I said, I should have bought one of these a long time ago, and I just kept using the old school Teflon sheet that I got them on the roll, cut them. But just easy things like this to make it a lot easier for you. Like when I do runs of 100 shirts, 200 shirts, and I need a Teflon sheet, I'm constantly back and forth throwing the Teflon sheet off, pulling it off. All it's going to do is save me a couple seconds, but it's also going to keep my top platen clean. And I like, throwing out these videos to help you guys out with some tips. And I'll leave the links to it. But very easy, thing to put on your heat press. And then that's one less step that you got to do. So I hope this video helped anybody out there. If you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.